Hi, I'm Arjun. There was a time when I used to feel the most useless and also the most needed. Nobody really prepares you for how scared you feel. I could not take the injections or treatment on behalf of her. So I did the only thing I could. I showed up in many ways I could. Like I remembered her every cycle days more than my own work calendar. Kept every file carefully and meticulously. Set every alarm. I was always there and she knew it. I couldn't make the treatment easier for her, but I made sure she never felt as if she was doing it all alone.
Every IVF journey is different. What stays the same is the strength of two people standing together. Celebrating every couple who stayed in this together.
Nova IVF Fertility.